Should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
With
Let's step away from it in case it's dangerous.
Wait there, man.
Okay, let's try it. It's lighting on fire. It's on fire. There's smoke coming out of it.
Can we turn back on now?
I think it was gonna catch on fire, buddy.
Can we see it catch on fire?
We need a fire extinguisher if we're gonna do that. What would you think about that?
Let's see it turned on.
No, too dangerous.
I need to plug it back in.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it almost caught on fire.
Can we see what is coming out of it?
I guess.
Let's see.
Oh yeah. Probably shouldn't breathe that in.
Yeah. Yeah, we can fix it together.
You think we can?
Yeah.
How do you want to do that?
We need a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, we do.
We need.
We probably need some tools and some knowledge that we don't have.
We need my tools. We need to get some tools. Can we get some tools from Goss? We'll go. Let's go get some tools. Let's go get some tools. Okay, we gotta open it.
Do it.
It's locked.
You're a big boy.
It's locked. Mommy, we need a fire extinguisher.